Hi guys, it's Maaike. Today I'm back for Used on Hoard Your Stash number 14. And I've used the Whimsy Stamps Spring Gnomes. And a sentiment I've added while I was in Photoshop. I printed it with my laser printer on some watercolor paper. That's actually the thickest that goes through my laser printer. And I'm using Distress inks to color it. I had a fair bit of trouble with my bee, you will see. And my printer always tends to print on a slant. So you can see my gnome is a little bit crooked. So I will fix that later with my cutter and make it into a mat on the card. And also this paper has two sides, and I think I'm working on the wrong side because the ink just stays on top there and doesn't really go in, and I'm heat setting it a lot. But yeah, I hope you enjoy it anyway. I like how it turned out. He's so funny. And I left a link down below. It's a digital. You can buy it from Whimsy Stamps if you're interested. And it's not an affiliate or anything. It's just I like Dustin Pike's work, so I buy quite a few of them. So thank you for watching. I will turn on the music. I hope you like it. And the sentiment, by the way, is something I saw on a wisdom tile once. One of those tiles that your grandma has in her bathroom. I don't know if you know which ones I mean, but they are yeah, popular in the Netherlands, I guess. I don't know if it's a quote of someone famous or anything like that, but I think it's true. I always loved when something I sewn, I don't know, put into the ground and came into a plant and then flowers and attracts bees and butterflies and all those things. So thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye.